Hello everyone. So today I'll be demonstrating as to how Yellow can be socially connected. So I'll be touching as to how one can connect Yellow to Facebook, Google for the customers to sign up on their platform. Then I'll be briefing on Facebook Pixel, and at last I'll be concluding with the Facebook shop. So let's start it. So to connect Yellow with Facebook, one needs to go to developers.facebook.com. So I have already logged into my account. For a new user, if no app is created in this Facebook account, then register a new app by clicking on Get Started on top right corner of the Facebook developers account dashboard. If we already have an account on a Facebook, then we need to go to the app and we will be redirected to the dashboard. So here we are on the Facebook developers dashboard. Here user can see all their apps. So now we will be moving to the settings. Here we will find the Facebook app ID that we will be using on our Yellow account, so keep it handy. Also we will mention our website domain. In my case it is foodlive1.yellow.red. Also please verify that the app status is live. Now we will move to the Yellow. We'll copy it. We'll move to the Yellow. Your settings, customer. And we will enter the app ID and submit it. And that's it. We have successfully configured our Facebook account on Yellow. So now whenever the customer will be going to our website, they can simply click on the Facebook button and they can directly sign up or log in with their Facebook account. Next on the stack we have Google. So let's once see. So here is the Facebook button. Here the customer can click and they can register or log into their application. So next on the stack we have Google. So we will be looking as to how one can connect Google with Yellow. So to configure Google, one needs to go at console.developers.google.com. So I'll be pulling up my sheet as so we will be creating a project. Fill out the basic details, our project name. Then after creating the project, we need to enable the credential API and services that will land us to this screen. Here we will configure the consent screen. Here then it will land us to the OAuth consent screen. Here we will configure the OAuth client ID. So for that we need to enter the application name. So if I go into my account, here we will enter our application name. In my case it is Yellow Web. We will enter the authorized domain and our application homepage link and save it. After saving it, it will provide us with the client ID and the client secret key. So we will keep it handy. Now we need to move to the Yellow. So I'll be moving to the Yellow and we need to go to the user settings, again customer, and to Google. Here we will be entering our Google App Client ID and Google App secret ID and we will submit it. So now we have configured our Google and Facebook account. So now the customer can go to the website and can log in with a Google or Facebook.